Hi all, welcome to kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is, as I told in the earlier video, we are starting a video tutorial on how to start your YouTube channel. Skipping the stuff of signing up for YouTube channel because there are millions of videos for that. So this is going to be a 5-part series, but in today's video what we are going to discuss are the main basics which you need to follow to start a YouTube channel. So let's start about that. In this channel, I go ahead and make technical reviews, technical videos, tutorials like this one, and I also go ahead and make shop reviews over here. I go to shops and make reviews on them, and you'll also get an insight about all the tech news, and I also do buy my own stuff, and I do the unboxing for that over here and give the honest reviews over here. The main thing, the first question which has to come to your mind while starting a YouTube channel is, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? What are you passionate about? Because the only way you can have a successful YouTube channel is by having a passion for the thing what you're doing on YouTube. You can be passionate about anything. Let it be cooking, let it be sewing, let it be technology, let it be art, let it be fashion. It's all up to you. But you have to be passionate about that. And if you're passionate about that, be happy to start a YouTube channel, because you will be able to make abundant content without any problem, because you will be happy with that. So what are the other factors which allow us to start a YouTube channel? Okay, and how can we succeed on that? The first thing is how to go ahead and know what audience wants. How can you reach the audience so that you can get views and subscribers? In this, if you see, there are many points for this, but the main thing is you must communicate with your audience and check what they want via social media. Be active on it always, so that you can deliver that content for you to get your views and subscribers without any problem. As you do already have the passion, the only thing you want is to know what type of content they want to watch in your own passion. What type of food they like in cooking, what type of dresses they are looking into, and whatever is your passion. The next point would be to go ahead and check the trends in that passion, how it's trending. If you follow the trends and make videos accordingly, people will follow you. They will check because they know this person knows how what is the present trend, and he's making the videos on that. This will increase your views and subscriber count also. And the next point, remember this, it's your own YouTube channel. So all your decisions are your own decision. Have a gut feeling on that. Having your own guts and making the right decision at the right time is the key for success in a YouTube channel. Do not miss out on that. And don't ever get disheartened by any of the comments or anything, because they are just the feedback you're getting from your audience, which is useful for you to make a better video next time. So that's very important in your life. And another important point is be consistent. I think you would have heard this in millions of videos, that is. There are millions of videos in which you have seen that they are told go ahead and upload the videos in a consistent manner. There are two reasons for that. One is you're new to the YouTube, so no one knows you. Even YouTube algorithm hates you in the starting. So to be consistent means you're getting into the algorithm of YouTube to recommend your videos for the audience which you require. So be consistent in making your videos without any problem. And the second thing is, being consistent is also good for you in a manner. That is, it will give you a confident boost Like when you start a first channel and you have first few videos, you won't have that much confidence in facing a camera and going ahead and pouring out your heart. But as you make 1, 2, 3 videos, from the 4th video, 5th video, 6th video, you can just go ahead and check the difference. You'll be able to talk with full confidence on a camera to such a huge audience. There are billions of people without any problem. So this helps you also. It helps you to later on monetize your channel also, because as many views, subscribers you get by it, as many YouTube recommendations you get by your video, it would be good for you. And last but not the least, do not stress on anything. Do not stress on YouTube, because if you go ahead and show that stress on the YouTube video, the person who's going to watch you in the video will absolutely know that you're stressing on the video, and that doesn't look good. So please do not stress on the video. So thanks for watching this video, and as I told you, it's a series. Please do watch the next video also, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe for the channel so that you get the notification of the next video. And in the next video, we are going to talk about the basic equipments which you require to start a YouTube channel, and it's not expensive also. So if you did like this video, please go ahead and watch these 2 new videos which will be in the end screen, so that you will get more info and more insight on how to make the YouTube videos. And until next time, this is Kamal over here, and you have a wonderful day.